This is how to create Scrum board in Jira. From your Jira dashboard, go to search and find boards. Click create board and click create a Scrum board. We'll choose a board from an existing project. Click next. We'll name our board. Let's say my Scrum board. We'll choose an existing project. And for location, this will be personal. And click create board. Now you have just created your first Scrum board in Jira. So this is how to create Scrum board in Jira.